Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of the AutoCAD full course 2019, and in this video we're gonna learn how to use the multiple points right here. And as usual, you can access this command by clicking on the draw in the home palette on the ribbon, or just by going to view and the tool palettes, or just by typing it on the screen. Now I'm gonna go over and click on the multiple points right here. Simply he's gonna ask you to specify a point on the screen like that, just like that. And as you see, they are just simple points, plain, and nothing special with them. But if you go to the utilities and click on the point style right here, and there are several styles that you can choose from. I'm gonna choose this, and you can specify the size of the point you want. I'm gonna keep it with 5. And I would recommend you just to use the set size relative to the screen. Click OK, then there it is, just like that. Now you may ask, why would I use a point? Now there are several uses for these points. If I draw a simple line right here, then I want to specify just a length, specific length. Now if I go right here and I can divide it. Now there is a special command for dividing a line, but you can use them wherever you need. So it's just like that. And that was pretty much what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, and stay tuned for another video.